Good morning, all. I hope you are safe, healthy, wherever you are. Try to be positive and active in situations like this. It's important. In earlier video, we did memorandum of association. Now, in this video, we'll proceed with articles of association. Again, it's an important document like memorandum, and every company should have its own articles. Short form of article of association, articles or AOA. So whenever I say articles, that means I am talking about articles of association, not memorandum of association. So when we were doing memorandum of association, we discussed that memorandum of association is a document which contains power or object of the company. Where now article is a document which is, you can say, you can say subordinate to memorandum, and it contains rules and rules related to internal management of the company. Because we did one sentence was there in the previous video that memorandum defines the relation of company with outside world or with outsiders. Articles defines the relation of company in the company or members of the company with each other or members of the company with the company. So articles contain rules which describe internal management of the company, how internal management is supposed to act. So let's start the topic. Articles as per section 2(5) of Companies Act. Articles means article of association, company originally framed or altered from time to time. It's same definition as memorandum. The articles of company shall contain regulations for management of the company. The articles of association of company are its bylaws or rules, regulations that govern management of its internal affairs and conducts of its business. They are subordinate to and are controlled by memorandum of association. Memorandum lays down scope and powers of the company, and articles govern the ways in which objects of the company are to be carried out and can be framed and altered by members. But they must be kept within the limits marked by Memorandum and Companies Act. Now this definition is very important. Now we have the three different documents you can see. See, Companies Act is master of all. Every memorandum of every company is subordinate to Companies Act. An article of a company is subordinate to its memorandum. So article should not have anything which contravenes any point written in memorandum. In the same way, memorandum should not have anything which contravenes Companies Act. It is not allowed. It is prohibited. The articles regulate the internal management of affairs of the company by way of defining the powers of its officers and establishing a contact between company and the members and between members inter se. A members inter se means member with member. So the relation and the power a member hold over other members is members inter se. Next is registration of articles. Section 7(1) provides that at time of incorporation of company they shall be filed with registrar within whose jurisdiction the register of his company is proposed to be situated. Memorandum and articles of the company duly signed by subscriber. Every type of company, whether public, private, and whether limited by shares, limited by guarantee, having share capital or not having share capital, or unlimited company must register their article of what I said earlier, that every company, irrespective of its nature or kind, should have its own articles of association. The articles of company shall be respective form specified table F, G, H, I, J in schedule 1. You remember we have done table A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F in memorandum, and from there onwards F to J is applicable for articles. A company may adopt all or any regulations contained in model articles. These are model articles. The article of private company must contain 3 restrictions contained in section 268. Now please comment what are these 3 restrictions. We have already studied private company. Okay, so you should know what are these 3 restrictions as mentioned in section 268. So for this you will comment what are these 3 restrictions. Please comment on this video what 3 restrictions an article of a public company should have, private company should have, sorry. A company limited by guarantee having share capital, or company limited by guarantee not having share capital, or an unlimited company having share capital, unlimited company not having share capital might adopt any of the appropriate regulation table G, H, I, J respectively. We have already discussed this. Now distinction between memorandum and articles. Go through this. You can go through this easily. We already discussed so much. I am not discussing this particular slide right now because I want you people to work something. So please try to go through these points, and in case you do not understand them, then you can ask doubts. Next, these are the contents of articles of a company. This list is very small. Company, because of internal management, because rules relating to internal management can be, n number of rules will be there. So articles may have 100 or even more than 100 clauses, but for I have written only some clause. You will get an idea what articles is all about. See, now number and value of shares, allotment of shares, lien on shares, nomination, alteration of capital, share certificate, audit committee, directors meetings, issue of preference share, call on shares, transfer of shares, forfeiture, buyback, dematerialization. All of these details are there in memorandum. Sorry, articles, not in memorandum. Memorandum will have only 7 clause which we discussed earlier in earlier video. But articles will have these clause and even more than these. It depends on articles of association. So as we have seen two different memorandum, so let's see articles of those companies also. Now see, this is articles of Infosys Limited. Memorandum we have seen in an earlier video. This is article of Infosys Limited, constitution of the company. They have used table F. They have directly taken table F from schedule 1 of Companies Act 2013. These are definitions, various definitions, these are interpretation. Now see, share capital clause is there. They may have written everything about share capital. Preference share they have written. Provision in case of preference share they have written. Companies lien on shares they have written. Calls, how company is going to make call on shares they have written. Transfer and transmission of shares. So n number various points will be there. Dematerialization securities will be there. So like these, company will write each and every process it is going to carry on during its lifetime. It should be there in its articles. Again, it's common sense that if nothing is there in article, then company cannot do that thing. For that, first it has to alter that article, and that it can perform that function or activity. So see, underwriting, brokerage, further issue of share capital, how company will issue shares, nomination of deposit, nomination certain director, borrowing bars, how company can borrow monies, share warrants, conversion of shares into stock. Everything will be there in articles of a company. Okay, so it's again a very lengthy document. See, it's very lengthy because it contains each and every point of internal management. It will end with subscription clause. Again, same subscriber to memorandum, how many shares they have taken, and the same witness. So it will act like this, and in the same way we see now this is article of association of Reliance Power Limited. See, they have taken table A, first schedule 1956. Earlier it was table A, now it's table F. Definition, same format it will be there because they have also taken the same format. Construction, and now share capital, preference share, provision in case of preference share, share equivalent, EDR, GDR, American deposit receipt, global depository receipts, alteration of share capital, reduction of share capital, power to modify rights, share and certificates, everything, each and everything which falls under the ambit of internal management, company has to write that in in articles of association. Forfeiture, transfer, transmission, dematerialization securities, nomination of shares, transmission of shares, everything this company will write. Okay, let's see, there is a special column for staff, workers, employees, other things they are also written. You can change, company can also change it. So that's all, and that's all for articles. It's a very small video, and please go through these differences, it's important. Good evening, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy.